This is not chocolate, it's coffee lava cake. Filled with silky, gooey, warm feeling inside. Let's make this. I promise you can't resist for another bite. Take all-purpose flour, cocoa powder. This is natural and unsweetened cocoa powder. Add some powdered sugar, oil, butter, anything would work. Add baking soda, baking powder, milk as required. That's it. Give it a nice mix. Add milk if required. Now add some chocolate sauce for darker color and better taste. For filling inside, take some chocolate, add butter and full 1 teaspoon of coffee. You can even add espresso, but make sure your chocolate doesn't get burned. Add some milk and make a silky and gooey rich feeling for this. Now put your batter in your mold. Microwave this for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. I microwave this for 1 minute. Just look at it, super delicious and amazing. Now add your warm chocolatey and coffee filling inside. Dust some cocoa powder on top and enjoy your warm lava cake filled with coffee filling inside. This is insane. Give it a try.